Getting you some back-to-back updates coming in right now. According to NIA sources, terrorist Farooq Ahmed has been named in the Pahalgam attack. He is believed to have set up a network of overground workers who assisted the Pakistani terrorists involved in the attack. Viewers, Farooq is a top commander of the Lashkar-e-Toiba. LET is currently hiding in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, POK. Back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV viewers. And let's also tell you that why this is significant. It's significant because remember, these terrorists also are harboring a OGW network. Now, in the last 2 years, we are coming to know that several terrorist attacks have been carried out with the help of the overground workers of Farooq, with the Pahalgam attack being one of the most cowardly. Farooq is involved in infiltrating militants into Kashmir from the 3 sectors in Pakistan. He has extensive knowledge of the mountainous routes in the valley. And we'll, of course, get our viewers more updates on this. But this is source-based information coming in right now on Republic TV about one particular terrorist, a key terrorist who has now been identified. The picture of his, you can see it on the right hand of your screen. This is Farooq Ahmed, a key terrorist who hails from Kupwara. And there's also some background information on him that our NIA has found on him as the NIA is continuing the probe. Let's go to Gursimran joining us live. Gursimran, I'm taking our viewers through the latest updates coming in, and let's tell our viewers that a key terrorist has been identified. Tell us about Farooq Ahmed. Who is he? What is his background? And where is he according to sources?
See, Shivangi, Farooq Ahmed is the terrorist of Lashkar-e-Toiba. He crossed over to the Pakistan in 90s, but he has been a frequent traveler back to India. He has been here in late 90s, in early 2000, and even in 2010 and the 2015. It is being said that he was a frequent traveler and is well known to this area of this Pir Panjal, the south and north of Pir Panjal is well known to the area. And his overground network that he uses for the Lashkar-e-Toiba in carrying out attacks, because he has a ground network that he operates from the Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. He provides them money, he provides them with the whatever is needed for the overground workers to survive in the area. And now this overground network has been given to Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists, including the top commanders of Lashkar that have carried out the Pahalgam terror attack. Now the NIA, as per the information that is flowing through and accessed by our colleague Jatin, it clearly states that this terrorist has used his network not only to carry out the Pahalgam terror attack, but also many other terror attacks. So since he was associated with this group, it is believed that he must be behind the Dera Ki Gali terror attack, the Danaz Shasta terror attack, and also the Gagangir terror attack, in which the civilians were killed by the Pakistani terrorists, and also the security forces were also targeted by these terrorists of Lashkar-e-Toiba. But now this Farooq Ahmed is on the radar of the security forces. His house has been decimated by the Jammu and Kashmir police in the drive that was launched a couple of days ago, where those involved in this terror attack, their houses were totally demolished by the security forces, and he was one of them, because police know that there are credible evidences with them that he was directly involved and he was orchestrating these kind of large-scale terror attacks in the Kashmir Valley as well as in the Jammu region. He has been given the task to infiltrate the terrorists. There have been 3 sectors from where he has been pushing the terrorists into the Indian territory from the Pakistan along the line of control. So the Lashkar has given the responsibility to a man from Jammu and Kashmir who is presently operating from the Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir to target the security forces, to target the civilians, and to carry out the massacre of the innocent civilians in Pahalgam. For all this, Farooq Ahmed is responsible, and now the agencies have tightened his nodes with the demolition of his house at first, and in days to come further action will also follow on him, because Farooq Ahmed and his network cannot be left untouched. There have been many overground workers that have been detained, and they are directly linked to Farooq Ahmed. I'll be handing over it to you, Rakshita, as you report from the Srinagar.